Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. To password protect your Google Chrome profile, you need to use a browser lock extension, and here is how. Go ahead and search for Chrome extensions in your web browser, or you can also search for Chrome Web Store. Go to chromewebstore.google.com and click on the search bar in the top. You can also click on this icon right here, then select Manage Extension, and then after go to Chrome Web Store. Now find and install a browser lock extension. Search for browser lock. You'll get various options right here, and you can find and install the one that you want to use. So I'm going to go for chromelock.net. It has 4.9 ratings. So I'm going to go ahead and click on this Add to Chrome option. Click on Add Extension. Wait for a few seconds for it to be installed in your browser. And once it's done, open a new tab. Click on this extension icon right here. Click on your Chrome lock extension. And here, set your unlock password. Click on Complete Setup. And you can see that the browser is now unlocked. So I'm going to lock it. Now, if you want to access your browser, you need to enter your password to do so. Once you do it, click on Unlock, and your browser will be unlocked instantly. This process will password protect your Google Chrome and prevent unauthorized access to your profile. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.